In this video, I'll show you how to add stickers in TikTok comments. I'll show you how I can be able to comment stickers here on TikTok. It's going to be a full guide video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So the very first step for you to do is to go to your Play Store or App Store and get this app, Sticker Maker. So if you get this app, go to the app and make your own favorite sticker. So I think I've made mine. So I have mine here. One of mine is here. So let's say if you love to comment sticker here on TikTok, what you need to do, open your TikTok, find the TikTok post or video you want to comment on. So I'm going to be using my account, so I'm going to click on this. So if you have created your sticker, what you need to do now, just click on this comment section. Then you're going to be able to see this picture icon. So I'm going to click on mine and I'm going to be able to add my own sticker I've just created. Okay, right now you can see this is my sticker. This is my sticker. So you can come on here and add something. I can just type in thank God. So right now you can see I just commented a sticker here on TikTok. This is how you can do this. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.